Preventing worms in cats is an important aspect of feline healthcare, something AnimalWised discusses in today's video. Symptoms of worms in cats. It is possible your cat has a worm infestation, but it is so small as to be asymptomatic. This is more likely in an otherwise healthy cat. Only when the infestation grows larger or if they affect certain tissues might symptoms begin. Clinical signs of worms in cats include diarrhea, constipation, vomiting, intestinal discomfort, swollen abdomen, anorexia, poor coat condition, weight loss and anal irritation, among others. Gastrointestinal obstruction, anemia, respiratory problems and tearing may occur in severe cases. Do worms in cats spread to humans? Worms can be a type of zoonotic disease, meaning they can pass from animal to human. For this reason, we need to be very careful when handling an infested cat, especially when cleaning up their feces. Worms in cats might also spread through vectors such as other parasites, including fleas. Cats can become infested when they are in a contaminated area or by ingesting prey which has already been infested with the eggs of the parasite. Humans are rarely infested by fleas or other parasites, but it is a possibility. It is most common when they come into contact with their feces, one reason it is recommended pregnant women avoid cleaning cat litter. It should be noted that not all worms are contagious. Some nematodes associated with larva migrans or certain types of flatworm can be transmitted to humans. Younger children are especially affected because they tend to follow more lax hygiene measures. It is enough for them to play in sand where feces contaminated by worm eggs has been deposited. If they put their unwashed hands in their mouth, contagion will occur. This is why it is so important to maintain the hygienic measures and deworming guidelines indicated by your veterinarian. Discover the most dangerous cat diseases in the info video we share above. How to eliminate worms in cats. If the veterinarian finds worms in our cat, they will prescribe the appropriate drug to eliminate them. Since it is not always easy to determine the specific type of worms, it is possible they'll prescribe a broad-spectrum product to kill the worm infestation. This means it will eliminate a high number of parasites. This is known as internal deworming and should ideally be repeated 3 or 4 times a year, but at least once. Home treatments for worms in cats. There are no known home remedies effective against worms in cats. The most important thing to do is speak to your veterinarian about the right type of deworming agent for your cat. These are often specific to the area in which we live, since different parasites can proliferate more or less in a given area. Some purported home remedies include pumpkin seeds, which have a compound known as cucurbitacin, but its effectiveness against parasites is inconclusive, and whole pumpkin seeds provide a choking hazard. Coconut oil can help gastrointestinal transit, but this does not make it a useful antiparasitic, and the high level of saturated fat can negatively affect the cat's overall health. Other home remedies such as thyme and vinegar have inconclusive evidence to support any benefit against intestinal worms. It is most important you speak to your veterinarian and establish a deworming schedule from the time the animal is a kitten. These are the only proven effective methods for prevention of various parasitical worm species. Providing a proper diet for the cat, ensuring they are positively stimulated, and having enough opportunity to exercise will help their overall health and bolster their immune system against potential infections. If you want to continue learning about cat health and veterinary advice, don't miss the playlist we share here. Like and subscribe for more videos to come, and we'll see you next time.